Do you know what might happen if coding becomes optional by 2030 for many businesses? Imagine a world where you don't need to hire full-stack engineers for every app, but instead use platforms where business users, entrepreneurs, or teams build their own solutions. Current data: by 2025, 70% of new business applications will be built using low-code, no-code platforms. KissFlow, +2. AI Multiple, +2. And the low-code market is growing at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of about 20 to 30% or more. Medium, +1. Now fast forward to 2030. If the trend continues, many business functions that today require coding could instead use visual development, templates, integrations, and AI-assisted building. This doesn't mean no developers ever, but the role of traditional coding will shift. Engineers will focus more on complex, custom, high-scale systems, while many apps will be built via low-code and no-code. Stack Overflow.blog +1. So the reality is, by 2030, coding could become optional for many standard business apps, meaning you could launch your product, workflow, or internal tool without writing large amounts of code. That empowers entrepreneurs and teams to move fast, test ideas, iterate, build value. The future isn't no developers, it's more builders. If you're an entrepreneur, that means you're in the driver's seat. Start thinking now. What app could you build without waiting for a dev team? The tools are already here.